Okay, American Lock Series 5100. I bought it on eBay and I was having a hard time trying to open it and I couldn't figure out why. I was using a short hook. I couldn't get it, and then I remember that Bosnian Bill said if you have problems, try attacking the problem from from a different angle. So I got this hook out of my little kit, kind of a longer reaching hook, and I tried using it, and sure enough, it worked. Easy. And I had been trying for a long time. I couldn't do it with this one. It's funny how just such a small change made such a big difference. Now I open it with no problem at all. Alright, there you go. That's I bought 8 locks off of eBay, so that's number 1. 7 more to go.